Hello and welcome back to Williamson Motorcycles. We've got another unboxing video for you here, and it's a new Zontes. So within this box is our best selling bike. So out of the 125 range, our best seller is the G1, and in here is the new for 2026 model. So it's been refreshed with an all new livery, so we just thought we'd give you the first glimpse of it as we go through the unboxing process. Okay, so let's have a look at this new tank. And there she is. So new for 2026. This brilliant bike now comes in this beautiful satin grey and with the gold cast wheels. And as we mentioned, this particular bike right here is our best selling 125. And this has just landed in the country, the new 2026 model. So we're really proud to be one of the first dealers to have one in the showroom. So here it is, completely built up and now in the showroom, ready to go on sale. So as we mentioned in the very beginning, the G1 out of all the 125 models, for us personally, the G1 has been our best seller. So when they announced a new colour scheme for 2026, we was really excited. As soon as it became available, we made sure we had one on order, and we're pleased to say that we will be one of the first dealerships to have one on sale on the showroom floor, and it's absolutely stunning. So essentially it's still the same fantastic best-selling bike. So obviously we've got Zontes' wonderful, really powerful engine. It's got one of the best brake horsepower in class. Obviously it's this street scrambler cafe racer style, so it really is a lovely classic rugged looking bike, and that again is one of the appeals to it. We've got disc brakes front and rear, upside down front suspension, so everything has got real good quality components. Lovely bar end mirrors with lever guards. Speaking of levers, they're billet adjustable. We've got backlit switchgear, LCD display with tire pressure monitoring system, full LED lighting, so it's got all the bells and whistles. We've got USB charging on here as well. So these really are a fantastic bike. Comes with all the crash protection, and at just $2,899 RRP, they are a lot of 125 for the money. They really are class leading for the price bracket. And now in this beautiful satin black with the gold cast wheels, really looks an absolutely stunning machine. So if you'd like to stick around, I'll just take you in and give you an up close shot of it all. thank you very much. I really do hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing video of the 2026 Zontes G1. This is now available in store, ready to go. If you'd like to know anything else, please do get in touch. And whilst you're there on the YouTube video, please do give us a like and subscribe. As a smaller family business, it really does help. Thank you very much.